The Inca tern is a striking bird with long, white, mustache-like feathers around its beak, giving it a comical look. It's about 16 inches long with dark gray feathers, bright red beaks, and feet. They live along the Pacific coast of South America, from Peru to Chile, nesting on rocky cliffs and islands. Although their population isn't known, they're not rare. They perform a courtship dance, showing off their mustaches. Although listed as least concern, they face threats such as oil spills, overfishing affecting their food supply, and habitat disturbance. Keeping their coastal homes clean and rich in fish is crucial for their survival.